In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a melodic tech house drop like John Summit did in tracks like these. So the final result will sound something like this. So let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal from the new Motion pack. It's linked down below if you want to check it out with presets, drums and vocals. Like for example this one.
No, I can't let you go. I need you.
So we're gonna flip this one in a John Summit style track. First we're gonna start off with a bass. So pick a preset from the Motion pack. Let's use this plucky bass and turn it into a rolling bass. The vocal is in D minor, but I want to start off on the 6th note of the scale to create a more interesting progression. So let's start off on the A sharp and create a rolling bass. So put the third one an octave up, just like this. Then go up to the root. So just duplicate it. Go to the D. Then we're gonna go down to the 7th note of the scale. I think I want to finish the progression on something like the 5th. A really basic progression, but it really does the job. So together with the vocal, it sounds like this.
I can't let you go. I need you. I need you.
So then we're gonna spice it up with some mixing. Just a basic distortion. Really thickens up the sound. And a sidechain. And then to make it a bit more interesting, we're gonna automate the mod wheel. Like this. So after 8 bars, let it open up. And then some movements, like for example this. Works really well to keep it interesting.
Let you go. I need you.
Yeah, that's dope. Did too much over here. Now we're gonna dive into the drums. First we're gonna use this kick from the Motion pack. Together with the bass, it sounds like this. Then I wanna drop in an open head. A short one, like for example this. And the offbeat. Giving the bounce, so I wanna use this really short end kind of clap. Then I want to add in some groove with a shaker loop. Really like this heavy one, so. And then for more groove, we're gonna use the top loop. But we're gonna get rid of the clap. So just simply cut it out and duplicate these two. Something like this. So together all the drums sound like this. Nothing special, but it really does the job. And then I wrote them out to a drum bus and added a transient shaper to bring out a bit more punch. Like this. Then I also dropped in the sidechain on a vocal. So together with the other elements, it sounds like this. Really dope vibes. So now we're gonna dive into chords. So I loaded up this new Serum. First let's throw in the root notes of the chords we made earlier. And then we're gonna turn them into full chords and get them in the right key. Like this. Bump it up an octave. And then bring in the top notes. Something like this. And then of course we need to pick a preset for it. Let's use this rhythmic 16th chords and just get rid of the low ends. And some reverb. I also created a bus channel with a sidechain to save some CPU space. Something like this.
I can't let you go.
pretty minimal, so we need to layer it. So just copy over the chords and then use Serum. Again with a sidechain. And let's use this preset. It got a really nice stutter at the end of the chords. And just mix it with a low cut. Reverb. And delay. So in the track it sounds like this.
I can't let you go. I need you. No, I can't let you go.
Really simple elements, but the key in this style is to keep it really simple. So then I want to spice it up with an ARP sound, just to stack the melodic elements together. This one could work if we made it a little bit shorter. So then just copy over the chords and create a rhythm like this using the first two notes of the chords. So this will be the first rhythm. Then just duplicate it like this. Then just do the same for the other chords. So there we have ourselves an ARP. Then just get rid of the low ends. Some reverb. Delay and route it to the sidechain, of course. Sounding like this. And then to make it a bit more interesting, I added this lead sound. A really plucky one. And I just used the top notes of the chords. So with that technique, we really spread out the chords so the ARP was playing the first and the second note of the chords, and then this one playing the top notes. Sounding like this. Really smooth in the back end of the mix. So that's it for the foundation. Now it's only a matter of arranging it and adding some effects to it. So I just added some FX to it. The downlifter, uplifter, snare builds. And some crashes. Then for the breakdown I also added some more chord sounds to it. To give it some more context. With just a piano, of course, to fill it up some more. Another ARP sound. All presets coming from the pack. Some fundamental chords. And of course the reeds. And then to finish it off, I added some more automations to it. Basically automating all the mod wheels of the synths. The same what we did with the bass. You can hear it's opening up and then closing. So that's how you make a John Summit style melodic house track. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
God is all you know, so keep it close to you. It's safe to say there's no other place that I'd rather stay with you. No, I can't let you go.